Hello, this is Angela, and welcome to our memorization tutorial. Maybe when you have learned something by memorizing it, you remember when you were a child and thinking how you learned. For example, multiplication tables under pressure. Probably you feel confused or frustrated because of that and think that memorizing is just for gifted people. It is not about feeling in this way. Memorization has been stereotyped because its conception has been wrong. It has been practiced like if it wasn't any other ways to make it work. In other words, the most common way that has been developed along the time is repetition. Even it is a possibility, it doesn't mean that it's the mainstream people form to memorize. There are so many ways you can practice for improving your memory. For example, acrostics, acronyms, writing key, methodology, keyword, image name associations, chaining, slip-on-in, detailing, visualization, verbal mistake. The repetition can be listening, reading, or doing, organize, storyline, dramatize, single line, walking, cheat sheets or being fed a line, hand copy, visual memory, and verbal memory. All these methods allow reflecting on how a person really understands. Eventually, we memorize keywords for a short time because we only need it for a moment, but it doesn't remain as we think. For that reason, it's important to recognize which of these methods adapted for us. At this point, I'm going to ask you to draw a light for the activity, and we are going to work on visual memory. Let's start. Look carefully at the next square filled with images. Close your eyes and try to remember the pictures. Write as fast as you can the images you looked. Let's check. Now, look this image. Look carefully the square and close your eyes and try to remember the picture. Write as fast as you can the images you looked. Open your eyes and check. Did you notice a difference between the first square and the second one? Yes, they have opposite meanings. List the words with opposite meanings. Check them. Which was your score? Keep it on trying. Goodbye.